Welcome back, everybody. So what we have today, we got a video of this Mustang that's going to be up for sale, and there'll be a lot of information on it, but we want to do a video. As you can see, we're cleaning it up right now. It's a beautiful 2007. It's a Mustang GT, right? And it's got the Shelby package. It's not an original Shelby. The person I bought it off of had the Shelby stripes. They got the GT, and then they had Ford actually put the Shelby Supercharger, had the seats. You can see the engine. It's meticulous. We'll start it up. It runs absolutely great. Oil maintenance changes been regular every couple thousand miles. Synthetic. I've babied it. You know, the issue is that I've had some health problems, and I can't drive anymore. And if I can't drive it, there's no reason to keep it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move it on. Highest bidder is going to get a fantastic deal. Likely have it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and you know, no warranty. I think it's fantastic, but obviously I don't want to deal with that. The interior, phenomenal. Got all these options. Very difficult to find any of this stuff. The Shelby GT is very, very rare. Any of the emblems. I got emblems for the interior. I got emblems all throughout the engine compartment. It's got that beautiful shifter. Even the gas cap is a Shelby. We got in the back, Eric will get around, and we've got the floor mats. They're Shelby. And so it's just a really amazing car. I hate to see it go, but that's what it is. And I've had some beautiful times in it. As far as I know, no accidents, but again, I was not the original owner. I've had it for many, many years. But let's fire it up. I'll let you hear it. I mean, the sound is worth it on its own. So, and I think horsepower, don't quote me, but you know, I was told is around 350. So it's packing a punch. Starts right up.
Impressive.
Amazing car. Mileage wise, what do we got? Gosh, I just don't drive it much. Let me shut this so I get the mileage to kick in.
Oh,
58,301.
Oh, can you keep it on, John? I want to show the mileage.
Yeah, 58,301. We'll start it back up again.
At least get to the mileage.
Yeah. So once I get it in here. All right. Mileage, I just have to get the door shut to show it. If there, so 58,301. You can see that there. No warning dials. We got the seat belt light on, but other than that, it's got this old Alpine sound system, and it's got the Shaker 6 CD player in there. The CD player I don't think shuffles, so you know there may be issues with that, but when it comes to a car like this, that is absolutely minor. I don't know any more on the exhaust. You want me to hit it again?
No, we're good.
It's just a fantastic car. Somebody's going to get something that they're going to treasure. You know, the paint's in great shape. You know, I probably could use another wax. I haven't done that. The wheels. Billy was doing a great job with cleaning up kind of the the Supercharger. Hey, you got it shining. So I think it could look even better. You know, I'm not even presenting this in its most positive light. So you're going to get a steal on this thing. The one minor issue that I know of is that you know, part of the my health issue is that I wasn't seeing peripheral real well, and so I did tap the mirror, but it came on fine. We got it on, no issue. So I think it's going to be a great car for somebody. So if you're interested, reach out. Again, I'll have it on a couple of spots. One other thing. I don't have them right here. I got an extra set of wheels. So these are the Shelby GT wheels. I'll try to take some pictures of the extra set, but you'll get an extra set of wheels. One of Eric's favorite things, there's a laser jammer on it. That laser jammer was like $2,000 back in the day. And I believe it works. I've not had a speeding ticket. The jammers are in there. There's a button in there. I'm not going to warranty that, but had that put in just in case. Check your state to see if it's legal before you use it. But other than that, I don't know. Anything else? Missing anything else?
Great car.
Great car.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, absolutely. So good luck on the bidding, and thanks for watching the video.
Do you want me to
God, I hope I
take the
wasn't-
plastic off for your